Hey, German learners! Are you confused about two-way prepositions? Fear not. We're here to help. Why two-way? Because they can be accusative or dative depending on the action. We will give examples in a minute. But first, the two-way prepositions are
auf, an, in, hinter, über, seit, unter, vor, zwischen.
What do these prepositions have in common? They are describing a position. If there is a change of state, we will use accusative. If not, it will be dative. For example,
Ich gehe ins Kino.
I am going to the movies, I am not there yet and therefore need to change state. I will be changing from being home to going to the movies. This is accusative. Now let's see what happens if I don't change state.
Ich bin im Kino.
I am at the cinema. I am inside it already and so, not describing a change of state, therefore this is dative. Because these prepositions can be used to describe a fixed state or a changing state, they are called two-way. Was this helpful? Tell us in the comments if you still have doubts. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.